You may be surprised to learn that fixing household tools on your own can save thousands of dollars over the years. Hello everyone. After many years of use, a bathroom shower head often becomes clogged and water pressure drops. Instead of buying a new one, this video shows how simple it can be to repair it by hand. With basic materials and clear steps, the shower works properly again without spending unnecessary money. Watch the full video to see the final result. Start by shutting off the water supply completely. Then remove the shower hose carefully so the repair can begin safely and without water leaking during the process. Take an adjustable wrench and grip the lower shower outlet firmly. Turn it slowly until the part loosens. Turn it slowly so any remaining water can drain out completely. Move with care and avoid putting stress on the wall connector so the pipe does not crack or break. Remove it by hand and place it into a stainless steel tray. The yellow stains and mineral buildup are easy to see now. These deposits block the internal channels and reduce water flow over time. Next, prepare a simple cleaning mixture. Take a cup and pour in white vinegar. Add toothpaste directly into the same cup. Vinegar helps break down mineral deposits, while toothpaste adds gentle abrasion that helps clean metal surfaces without scratching. Stir the mixture until it blends evenly. Take time to stir the mixture thoroughly. A well-blended solution works more effectively and helps loosen buildup faster during the cleaning process. Take a soft brush and load it with the prepared mixture. Spread the mixture evenly across the wall-mounted shower head, working slowly so it reaches every surface. Brush the top area first, then move to the sides and the underside. Pay close attention to the small water holes, corners, and edges where mineral buildup often hides. Use steady pressure and small circular motions to help the mixture loosen hardened deposits. Do not rush this step. Move the brush back and forth until the surface feels smoother under your fingers. Reapply more mixture if the brush runs dry. Continue scrubbing until the yellow stains fade and the metal begins to look clean again. This careful cleaning allows the solution to break down scale evenly and prepares the shower head for proper water flow once rinsed. After scrubbing, rinse the part thoroughly with clean water. Already the metal looks brighter and the yellow color fades. Tell me where you're watching from. I always enjoy seeing the different cities and states you're tuning in from. Use a wrench to remove the diverter knob from the wall-mounted shower unit. Grip it firmly and turn slowly so the threads loosen without damage. Once it comes free, pull it straight out and place it on the tray. This part often collects mineral buildup inside, which can restrict water flow and affect switching between shower modes. Inside the opening, mineral deposits and grime have collected over time. Spray clean water directly into the hole and use a small brush to scrub inside. Rotate the brush gently to reach deeper areas. Dirt often hides inside these narrow spaces and restricts water movement. Keep flushing the opening with water while brushing until the residue clears. Continue working carefully so every inner surface feels smooth and free of buildup. Remove the diverter components one by one and lay them in the tray. Spray water over each piece and brush them clean. Pay attention to grooves and contact surfaces where buildup causes friction. Work through each diverter part slowly and methodically. Turn every piece in your hand and clean all sides, not just the visible areas. Focus on small grooves, threads, and flat contact surfaces where mineral scale tends to stick. Rinse each part thoroughly so no loosened debris remains before moving on to the next step. After cleaning with water, spray a small amount of WD-40 onto the parts. Let the spray reach into the threads, grooves, and contact surfaces. This coating helps loosen any remaining residue and keeps the metal parts moving freely during operation. Use a dry cloth to wipe them clean. This step removes remaining residue and helps the parts move smoothly when reassembled. Reinstall the diverter knob carefully. Place each part back in the correct order and tighten it firmly by hand. Then finish with the wrench using gentle pressure. Avoid over-tightening, since that can damage threads. Check the alignment as you reassemble and make sure each part seats correctly in its position. Apply steady, gentle pressure with the wrench so the threads stay intact and the connection remains secure without risk of damage. Turn the knob to confirm smooth movement before continuing. Next, remove the main faucet head. Twist it loose and inspect the filter screen inside. The mesh often traps sand, scale, and mineral flakes. Spray water directly through the screen and use a brush to clean both sides. Scrub until all visible debris clears. Clean each small hole carefully so water can pass freely again. Take time to clean every part of the faucet head with care and patience. Work slowly and focus on one section at a time so nothing gets missed. Use gentle pressure and avoid forcing the brush into small openings. Let the water and motion do the work. Pay attention to the mesh screen, the inner channels, and the small holes where water exits. These areas collect mineral deposits first and affect water flow the most. Careful cleaning protects the parts from damage and helps restore an even, strong stream once everything goes back together. After cleaning, spray a small amount of WD-40 on the metal surfaces of the faucet head. Wipe away excess with a cloth. This helps prevent future corrosion and leaves the surface clean. Reattach the faucet head and tighten it securely. Place each cleaned part back into the faucet head in the same order they came out. Align the pieces carefully so nothing shifts or pinches. Tighten the connection firmly by hand to ensure a secure fit and proper water flow. Now, return to the lower shower outlet cleaned earlier. Reinstall it onto the shower assembly. Turn it until snug and finish tightening with the wrench. Make sure the alignment looks straight and even. With all parts back in place, turn the water supply on slowly. Open the shower fully. Water now flows strong and even. The spray pattern looks balanced. Pressure improves immediately, and the clog no longer restricts the flow. This confirms the repair worked. If this repair helped you today, press the like button so others can find this guide. Subscribe to the channel for more practical DIY repairs you can trust at home. Leave a comment and share what household item you want to fix next.